Hey, that's the 2582 coming back at you with another video, and today I'll be reviewing another Majorette diecast. This is my, I don't know, third or probably third Majorette diecast I reviewed, but this one will be completely different because it isn't those premium ones that you might be thinking that I've reviewed previously. This is a new type of line that I think just came out like a couple of months ago, and until now I found some. But one of them really intrigued me, so this is the one we're going to view, and it's going to be a first look for me, at least. It's the BMW M3 touring car, which is supposed to be looking like a safety car from Majorette. So, of course, this looks really different than the other Majorette cars. Found this at Target, along with that Chevy Monte Carlo pace car, Johnny Lightning, that I did a review on. Super happy to find that car, but also I was like, you know what, this one also looks cool, I might as well buy it. So I guess that day was the day of the pace cars, really, or safety cars, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is a really cool one. This one honestly might be competing with Hot Wheels, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So let's cut to the intro and get on with the review. So what did I mean about competing with Hot Wheels? Well, it's a shorter card, so maybe you'd be, I don't know, it might look like those cheap ones, like those Adventure Force cars from Walmart, which are, basically overglorified. To me, they're overglorified Maisto diecast, which I do remember Maisto. You guys remember Maisto at Dollar Tree? Probably not. Maybe you do. Hopefully you do. Because they came in those tiny little short cards, and the car selection was a bit strange, but this one, of course, imported by Jada Toys. They always import their majorettes. This one was $1.75, I believe, or something like that. So almost the same price as a Hot Wheel, just a little bit more. It's like maybe just like a few cents, like maybe 50 cents more than a regular Hot Wheel. And it looks pretty cool. This is going to be Majorette's, I think, competition to the Hot Wheels mainline and also the Matchboxes. I guess this might be the new thing, new Majorette mainline. So let's open this one up here. Now, normally I don't do videos on mainlines for Hot Wheels or Matchbox unless if it's something really cool or something I need to show y'all, or something, like I said, something that looks cool to me. But this one, honestly, it does look cool to me, and it's a new brand, or it's the same brand I've reviewed in the past, but a new line, I guess. And yeah, here's the M3 touring car out of its package. So yeah, first off, it looks a bit cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's all metal on the top. It's plastic, but I mean, it's honestly fine. And plastic tires, so it's not going to be like those other Majorette cars. No opening features on this one, no suspension, so this is pretty much a bare bones, basic Majorette car. And of course this one, the M3 Touring. I do like the M3s myself, especially the new ones with the huge grill. I just recognize them from IMSA pretty much. But the touring ones I have not seen before. We don't really get wagons here in the US, so this is a pretty nice one to have. And plus, because it's a safety car and it has the BMW M Motorsport colors on the side, it looks basic, but it gets the job done, and it has the lights on top, which honestly, something that the Monte Carlo didn't have, but like I said, I explained in the video probably why they didn't. But yeah, this is really cool. It's simple, it works, it rolls fine. The wheels, the like thin tires and just black rims, they look okay, it's only $1.75 or whatever, so I can't really complain that much. Although we do have front end detail with the grill, it's all painted. The headlights is just silver, but honestly it looks better than if it was nothing. Got the BMW badge on the front, some other little details as well. Yeah, it looks cool. The safety car font, I wish it was a little bit better, but it works. The design looks pretty good. And the bag has rear tail light detail, so it's just all red, but like I said, better than nothing, and the BMW badge. So pretty bare bones, pretty much. And here's the base, made in Thailand. Majorette, I think they're also from Germany as well. Maybe they used to make their cars in Germany, or they're based from there. Not exactly sure. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say other than, I mean, it looks cool. Is it going to be a real competition to the Hot Wheels mainline or the Matchboxes? Probably not, but I like to see them try because they have some interesting cars, and even my father found a GR Yaris WRC rally car, which was really cool in this type of line. A black Yaris that would run in a WRC rally. Um, yeah, that's the type of stuff I really like to see if they could do stuff like that. Maybe they have some other race car castings or such, or castings that Hot Wheels or Matchbox neglect to do, but they can do if they have it, of course, if they have the molding and such. But yeah, this one is it's gonna go to my pace car collection that I have, or safety car collection. There's a little mini collection I have, of course, of just pace cars and such, because of course, being a racing fan, I just like to have them. But yeah, it works. It looks nice. If you'd like to buy them, you go ahead. I'm not sure what other cars are available. I'd have to check that out. Maybe there's some other one that I might want to find. Might review on here, might not. I'm not sure. But yeah, new competition to Hot Wheels and Matchbox Basics. We got a third entrant in the $1, almost $2 line of diecast. Will you pick these up? Do you like Majorette diecast? If you do, would you be interested in buying these? It looks cool. Maybe there's some other cool castings that you come up with. That would be really cool. But yeah, that was the BMW M3 Touring Majorette Basics. That's going to be interesting to talk about now. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe. We're trying to reach those 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it, y'all. And I'll see you next time. Peace.